Hello, this is Mike from Heavy Ice System. Today it's November 6th, 2019. Here making a video to show the difference of my 5-ton per day flake ice machine with the compact design and the split design. Okay, so this is one 5-ton per day flake ice machine with a compact design, and the machine behind it is a 5-ton per day with a split design. Okay, this is the ice machine, and this is the condenser. The condenser will be located in a different place with the ice machine. Normally, the air condenser will be located outside of the user's facility, and the ice machine will be located inside. Okay, but for this machine, it's a compact design. The condenser and the ice generator is together. These two set of a 5-ton per day flake ice machine are the same components. Okay, here we can see the RefCom piston compressor. This one, the RefCom piston compressor, Danfoss expansion valves, the steam air condenser Eaton, and the steam air condenser fan. The air condenser fan is made in Germany, and the condenser is the best brands and the quality in Asia. Okay, this video is just for showing the difference between compact design machine and a machine with the split design. Thanks for your time. Yeah, today we are loading the machines into the container. The container is outside there waiting, and we're going to load these two set of a 5-ton per day machine into the container. Besides, we'll load this 1-ton per day and that 2-ton per day behind. The 4 machines will be loaded into this container. Thanks for your time again.